Salute. What's going on all? It's the Crypto Cell, the #1 crypto YouTube channel. So, the market, how's the crypto market doing? It's a bit up and down. It's a bit volatile. Right now we're in a bear market. If you're new to crypto, what a bear market means is it's bearish, Bearish means that, like, for example, if you were to say that land is bare, it means it's, it means there's nothing there. There's nothing really going on. So that's a bear market. You've got a bull market, which is when, like the running with the bulls. Bulls, they're strong, they run forward, things are going up. That's a bull market. A bear market is when things are going down or going sideways, not a lot going on. So right now we're in a bear market. Some things are going up and down, but it's mainly only a little percentage. Up 3%, down 2%, down another 5%, up 2%, things like that, which if you're used to trading stocks, you might think that's a lot, but when it comes to cryptocurrency, those are minor things. That's a minor percent. That's a very, like I say, it's a bear market. So, to anyone new, anyone that wants to get into crypto, this is a good time to buy. This right now is what I call a solid buying opportunity. Okay? I'm not saying it's the greatest opportunity. I'm not saying that the market won't continue to go down and you could get cheaper prices, but already we've gone down 30%, some have gone down 35, 40%, 25%. So right now is an opportunity where you can buy, and as long as you don't plan to sell out too quickly, you're good. You know what I mean? If you've got something to buy in, say, 2 years, in 6 months, then this might not be for you, because you could buy today and you might be down in 6 months. I think you'll be up. I think if you buy now, you'll be up in 6 months. But to have that shorter time frame on things, you don't want to take that risk. But if your goal is you want to buy a house in 2 years, or you just want to save money, and you've got a year or 2 years or 5 years, you're willing to be patient, you're willing to wait, then now was the perfect time to get in, because nobody's got a crystal ball. The market could go up, it could shoot right up, and then you could cash out if you want to, or you could just continue to hold, or the market could go down. But it's highly likely, it's extremely likely, that after the market goes down, we're going to get a bounce and the market's going to go back up again and become higher than it is right now, and it'll break all-time highs. The next bull market, it'll break new all-time highs, because that's what it's always done. Bitcoin started at 1 cent, right? And then it went up to 30 cents, and then it went down. It had a crash and went all the way back down to about 2 or 3 cents. But then it responded and it went up to $1, and then it came down to cents again, and then it went up to, $10, came down a bit, went up to 100, came down, went up to thousands, came down, went all the way up to 20,000, came down, and then this most recent bull run, we got up to 69,000. Okay, and now it's come down, and now it's sitting around 36,000. So if you look at the pattern, Bitcoin has gone up and it's come down, but whenever it goes up, it goes higher than it's ever been before, and then when it comes down, it doesn't go down as low as it has been before. You know what I mean? So if you happen to buy right now, say you get into crypto today, and all you do is buy $1,000 of Bitcoin, that's it, you might see Bitcoin go down a little bit. $36,000 might not be the bottom. Bitcoin might continue to go down and hit 10k, 15k, but when it bounces and goes back up, it'll go higher than the last all-time high of 69,000. It'll go to 100,000 or 120,000 or 150,000. It'll go over 100,000 the next bull run, 100%. So in other words, if you buy now at $36,000 and you can wait for the next bull run, for the next bull market, which is more than likely to be in 1 year to 3 years, somewhere in that space. So let's take an average of 2 years. If you can wait 2 years, then you're gonna triple your money, okay? Whatever you put in today, you're gonna triple in 2 years, roughly, okay? And that's just with Bitcoin. There's others that I think will go far more than a triple. You can make 5 times your money, 10 times your money. You can make 100 times your money. Okay, there's coins you could have bought 3 years ago that have gone up 100 times or more. Okay, so Bitcoin though is the safe option, right? If you want a safe option and you want to 3 times your money in about 2 years, the choice is easy: Bitcoin or Ethereum. Easy. Ethereum is easily going to be worth 3 times what it is now in 2 years, 2 to 3 years, 100%. Okay, so those are easy. But if you want advice on what might go up 10 times your money, what you could buy to 10 times your money or 20 times your money, look, these coins are more likely coins lower down the rankings, okay? Not Bitcoin, not Ethereum, because Bitcoin and Ethereum have already gone up a lot. But now there's other cryptocurrencies that are coming and they're competing with the 2 big dogs. Coins like Solana, Terra. Terra is Luna. If you want to buy into Terra, okay, Terra is the ecosystem, Luna is the coin. So Solana, Luna, what else? AVAX, Cosmos, Nair Protocol, Secret, Cardina, Metis. Ask me for all my picks on what you could 10 times your money on, okay? Just do that. To make it simple, just leave a comment. What do you recommend I invest in? And I'll give you a breakdown of the list that I think will make you more money than in getting into Bitcoin or Ethereum. But anyway, the point of this is, if you're a beginner, if you want to get into crypto, or you're thinking about getting into crypto, right now is a good time. Okay, no matter where the market goes, whether it goes up or whether it goes down, you are more than likely, I should say, to be in profit in the long run. In 2-3 years, you will be in profit. Okay? This isn't financial advice. If you invest in this and you lose all your money, hey, that's on you. You know, don't come crying to me about this money you lost. Okay, it's none of my concern. But more than likely you'll be up, so you're welcome.